In the heart of Cupertino, something impossible is happening. For decades, we have been told that power requires size. We've been told that if you want to edit 8K video, render 3D landscapes, or train neural networks, you need a tower that hums like a jet engine and takes up half your desk. But today, the rules of physics are being rewritten. We are entering the era of the M5 Mac Mini, and it is a device that shouldn't logically exist. This is a machine that fits in the palm of your hand, yet holds more raw computing power than the most expensive Mac Pro from just 5 years ago. If you are a creator, a gamer, or a professional looking for the ultimate desktop setup, you need to stop what you are doing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just a refresh, it is the final evolution of the desktop computer. The story of the M5 Mac Mini begins with a radical redesign that Apple has been perfecting behind closed doors. For years, the Mac Mini kept its iconic silver square shape, a design that was originally meant to hold an Intel processor and a bulky cooling system. But with the M5, Apple has finally trimmed the fat. The new chassis is rumored to be even smaller, approaching the footprint of an Apple TV. But don't let the size fool you. This isn't a toy. It is a concentrated block of silicon and aluminum designed to destroy everything in its path. The secret weapon inside this machine is the M5 chip, built on the cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. To put that into perspective, we are talking about transistors so small they are measured at the atomic level. This allows Apple to pack billions of more transistors into the same space, resulting in a performance per watt ratio that makes the competition look like they are standing still. The M5 isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. This chip is the first of its kind to be built specifically for the age of Apple intelligence. The neural engine has been completely overhauled, capable of trillions of operations per second, allowing you to run complex AI models locally on your desk without ever sending a single byte of data to the cloud. Imagine you are a video editor. With the M5 Mac Mini, the days of waiting for proxies to render are dead. The dedicated media engine has been upgraded to support AV1 encoding and decoding at a hardware level, making it a dream machine for YouTubers and streamers. You can throw multiple streams of 8K ProRes footage at this tiny box, and it won't even break a sweat. It's silent, it's cool, and it's devastatingly fast. But the real magic happens when you look at the GPU. Apple has introduced a new architecture called Dynamic Caching 2.0. This allows the M5 to allocate memory in real time with surgical precision, enabling hardware-accelerated ray tracing that rivals dedicated gaming consoles. Yes, you heard that right, the Mac Mini is becoming a legitimate gaming powerhouse. But why now? Why is Apple pushing the Mac Mini so hard? Because the world of work has changed. We are no longer tethered to massive office buildings. We are a generation of digital nomads, home office heroes, and boutique creative agencies. Apple knows that the M5 Mac Mini is the perfect anchor for this new world. It is affordable enough for a student, yet powerful enough for a Hollywood colorist. And with the introduction of Thunderbolt 5, the connectivity on this machine is mind-blowing. We are looking at data transfer speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second. You can connect multiple